Next question. Most of the commonly available personal computers have a keyboard popularly known as what pattern? The popular pattern of keyboard, is it QWERTY or is it QOLTY, ALTER, UCLIF? So the most common keyboard pattern is QWERTY, QUERTY. A hard copy of a file created on a computer refers to data saved on a floppy disk, data printed on a paper printer, data backed up on a tape drive, or data sent as an email. So the hard copy of a file created on a computer refers to it is printed, data printed on a printer. So the above two questions are very important. So the next question, when you quickly press and release the left mouse button twice, you are primary clicking, pointing, double clicking, secondary clicking. So it is double clicking. The processes processes data, which is also called brain of the computer. Is it motherboard, memory, RAM, CPU? Dash processes data, which is also called brain of the computer. Is it motherboard, memory, RAM, CPU? It is CPU. CPU processes data, which is also called brain of the computer. A series 100 post error code indicates a problem with the hard drive, RAM or ROM, system board, video adapter. A series 100 post error code indicates a problem with the It is video adapter. No, it is system board. The time it takes a device to locate data and instructions and make them available to the CPU is known as the time it takes a device to locate data and instructions and make them available to the CPU is known as processing cycle. Dash is when the more power hungry components drive power hungry components such as the monitor and hard drive are put in idle. Is it hibernation, power down, standby, or shutdown procedure? So it is in hibernation. Hibernation is the state where power hungry components are put in idle. Hard disk drives are considered dash storage. They're considered as non-volatile storage. The most common input devices are keyboard and mouse. So if you have to select from monitor, printer, storage disk, keyboard and mouse, Windows 2000. So the most common output devices, the most common input devices, if you have to choose from microphone, printer, scanner, monitor, digital camera, speakers, keyboard, mouse, then keyboard, mouse are the most common input devices. Most common output devices are monitor and printer. Every component of your computer is either hardware or software, software or CPU RAM, application software or hardware system software, input devices or output devices. Input or output devices. The dash performs simple mathematics for the CPU. It's ALU. Reusable optical storage will typically have the acronym CD-RW DVD-ROM. Reusable optical storage will typically have the acronym read write, that is RW. You can use the tab key to move a cursor across the screen, indent a paragraph, move the cursor down the screen, or what? To move a cursor across the screen or indent a paragraph. The best reason that a computer needs to have a hard disk is because it can then use the same program as other computers. It would not work without one. It can store information when it is switched off. It can store information while it is working. The best reason that a computer needs to have a hard disk is it would not work without one. The name of the logic circuit which can add two binary digits. Name of the logic circuit which can add two numbers, two binary digits. It is half adder. Next is the speed at which monitor accepts data is called bandwidth. Next, data going into the computer is called it is input.